At the last hour of the market, we detected some unusual options activity on Dish Network. Ticker symbol DISH. Today, December 28. Dish Network is known for its brands Gen Mobile and Boost Mobile. And so without further ado, let's take a look at what was happening at the last hour. And not only that, there was another set of unusual options that was even more meaningful and significant. So we'll go over two sets of data. You can see here, 3:14 at the 48 second, we have 3,000 contracts for the January 2024's 4 strike calls and the 6 strike calls. Now what is going on here? Let's take a deeper look at the chain. January's, we can see here the 4 strike calls, open interest of 13,000, much greater than the volume. 6 strike calls, the 2,657 is less than 3,000. So we know that there is a higher probability that the 6 strike calls are opening trades, and based on our analysis, we believe that they are taking profits and closing the 4 strike calls, selling to close, and rolling to the 6 strikes to buy to open. Okay, so by buying these 6 strike calls, that is a bullish trade. However, you can see that they bought it for $31 each. So the trade is not quite significant because $31 times 3,000 contracts is only $93,000. So not a lot of money in this trade. Typically, we follow trades that are in the hundreds of thousands or in the millions, as you know, if you've been following this channel. And if you haven't, then subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, what is most unusual are these 10 strike calls expiring June 2024, paying $53 each. Because when we take a look at this, for the Junes, we can see that the 10 strike calls have a total volume of 5,360, definitely opening trades since the open interest is only 855. As we mentioned, $53, right? So $53 times 5,360, it's about $284,000 on this strike price, this trade here. But of course, this is multiple people, such as ourselves. We are also in this position, but we are not position sizing very much. So we don't make up very much out of this 284,000. Most of our capital is put on member-only trades. We simply follow these trades so that we can harness more data to analyze, to get better in our probability modeling using statistics. Okay, so we can get better and better at predicting stock prices using this type of data analysis. And you can see here that these 10 strike calls are clearly bullish. And as we mentioned, this is a risky trade because of the value of the trade. It is not in the millions, as we mentioned. Okay, so but it is still meaningful. You can see here Dish is currently trading at $5.66. So to get to $10, that is about a 79% increase, right, by June, right? So the probability of that happening is not as high, right, as our other types of trades that we share with our members only. So if you are interested in gaining access to those stock picks and also our strategies and how we trade, where we actually develop our own option strategies to reduce risk, to maximize profits. Make sure to go to our website to learn how you can gain access to those trades. All right. Comment below. What do you think will happen to Dish? Will it rally 79% by June next year? And as usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you have it, and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of unusual options activity. Take care and have a great day.